Hi girls, good morning. Today we are going to learn about measurements. Measurements. What is a measurement? Measurement is a unit that is used to measure something. Okay. In ancient days, the people use so many standard, non-standard measures such as cubit, king's foot, king's arm, yard, etc. Some standardized units such as meter, gram, seconds, etc. Okay, in sixth standard, we have learnt few measurements such as area and perimeter of some specific shapes such as rectangle, square, and right angle triangle. Okay, what is a perimeter? Hope you know, a perimeter is the distance around a closed shape. And what is area? Area is the region occupied by the closed shape. Okay, so just to recall, here I am giving the formulas of area and perimeter of square, and you know that area of square is equal to s into s, that means side into side, and perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, and area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and area or perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. And here about right angle triangle, the area is equal to half BH square units, where B is the base of the triangle and H is the height of the triangle. Here, just to recall, I am giving few problems and you have to find the missing values. Okay, for rectangle, first you have to calculate this. In the first problem, I have given the length and breadth of the rectangle. You have to calculate area and perimeter. Okay, as you know the formulas very well, you can calculate it very easily. So complete this table, and as well here you have to find the missing values of a square. Similarly, here one value is given, that is one measurement is given. You have to calculate the other two. If the side is given, you have to calculate area and perimeter. If the area is given, with that you have to calculate the side and perimeter. Okay, if the perimeter is given, first you have to calculate the side and then you have to calculate the area. Okay, similarly here too for the right angle triangle. As you learned these problems in 6th standard itself, it will be easy for you to calculate it. Okay, so finish the problems, all these three tables, and submit it to me. So now I am going to give you an activity, and here is a house. Okay, and I have constructed this house with so many shapes. For girls, you have to observe the shapes that are found in the figure, and I have numbered the shapes. So you take down a note and write down all the numbers. Okay, all the numbers, and accordingly you have to write what shape is that. So girls, take a look on the shape 4, the shape that numbered 4. Okay, what do you call that shape? The shape looks like a rectangle because the opposite sides are equal. But what about the angles? The angles does not make a right angle, so we couldn't call this as a rectangle. Okay, so this shape, the number 4th shape, has a special name called parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a four-sided closed shape, but the opposite sides are both parallel and equal. Okay. Here the sides AB and CD are equal and parallel. Similarly, AD and BC are also equal and parallel. What is the area of the parallelogram? The area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. Okay, and the perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Okay, the sum of the. So using these two problems, the formula of area and perimeter, we are going to solve few more problems. Okay, so now I am going to ask you a question. You have to think and tell me the answer. What it is? The rectangle is always a parallelogram, but a parallelogram is not a rectangle. Why? Girls, you have to send the answer for this question. So Here is some homework problems for you, ma. Before that, we are going to solve few more problems. Then, with that examples, you have to find out the answer for these problems, and you have to submit this to me. Okay.